Good morning, class. Okay, we are continuing with exercise 4.1. I told you that I'll discuss the fourth part of question number 3. So I'm first discussing that. 1, 9, 6, 5, 2. Okay, so let us do the prime factorization. In this question, they have asked you by which number it should be multiplied so that it will become a perfect cube. Okay, so divide 2 9s are 18. Further, 16 is left, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4 and 2 6s are 12. Divide again, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 4 9, 1 3. Now, this goes by 17. 17, it will come 289. Further again it is going by 17, 17 17s are and then 17 1s are. ये एक पेयर बन गया. Now you are left with 2 into 2. But we are not able to pair it up. For the pair we need 3. So by 1, 2 it should be multiplied so that it will become a pair of 2. So what I have multiplied? Only 2. Other 2 are already there. I have multiplied a single 2. That means 19652 must be multiplied by 2 to make a perfect cube. Okay, to make a perfect cube. Now moving to question number 4. Question number 4 is almost same. It's just that in question 3 we were saying by which number it should be multiplied. Now in this question they say find the smallest number by which it should be divided. हम किससे divide करें to make a perfect cube. Okay. Okay. Let's start. I'm starting with second part. Second part is 10985. 10985. Divide by 5. As you can see 5 here, तो ये 5 से तो divisible हो गई. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, left with 48, 5 9s are 45, 3 35, 5 7s are 35. Okay, so this is going by 3 now. 3 7s are 21. No, it is not going. Check it out by another table. 2197 is the it goes by 3. 13. Let us see किससे जाएगा. 13 1s are 13 and you left with 8 89. It will go by, let us see the square of 13. 39. 13 1s are 13. 16. It will come 169. It will go by 169. Okay, now you know that it is the square of 13. 13 13s are 169 and again 13 1s are 13. When you stuck at such numbers जो नहीं जाएं, please check your prime numbers. In that case 99% it goes by the prime number. Now the question was find the smallest number by which it should be divided. Okay, आप एक concept mind में रखो, divide मतलब something we need to reduce. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से हम multiply करके increase नहीं करेंगे, something we need to reduce. So if I'll talk about the pair, 13 का तो pair बन रहा है. दिस इज़ द ओनली नंबर जिसका पेयर नहीं बन रहा है. सो हम इसको हटा देंगे. दैट मीन्स 10985 must be divided. Sorry for my bad handwriting because I'm not looking at the notebook, I'm looking in the phone. It must be divided by 5 to make a perfect cube. Okay, it must be divided by 10985 to make a perfect cube. Okay, I hope I'm clear to all of you. Now let us do one more part. Third part only. Third part is 28672. So we can see that this is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Again 2 3s are 6 and 2 6s are 12. It is again divisible by 2. 2 7s are 14. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16. Further, 2 3s are 6, 1 left, 11, 2 5s are 10, again 1 left, 2 8s are 16 and 4. Further, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 4 and 2 4s are 8. Further, 2 1 1 2. Now we are at 1 1 2, 1 1 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 4, 2 7s are 14. Okay, and finally 7 1s are 7. Now start making the pair. First pair of 2, another pair of 2, 2 2 यहाँ है और 1 यहाँ. So this will complete a pair of 2, another pair of 2. Now only what is left? 7 is left. That means it must be divided by 7. So we'll write here 2 8 6 7 2 must be divided by 7 to make a perfect cube. Okay, this is all about question number 4. I have not done first part and fourth part. This is your homework. You need to do it yourself. Moving to my question number 5. Question number 5 says, Rahul makes a cuboid of plastine of sides 3 into 3 into 5. Now he has made a cube. Okay, how many such cuboids will he need to form a cube? Okay, so the number for cuboid is given to you. Cuboid is 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter into 5 centimeter. Okay, so if I'll multiply, this becomes 3 3s are 9 and 5 9s are 45. Or it's not needed. If you'll see, this is given 3 into 3 into 5. Okay, now they are saying how many such cuboids will be need to form a cube. Cube का अगर आप जनरल फार्मूला देखेंगे, it is kind of a cube. All the sides should be same. So in order to make a pair of 3, 2 are already there, I need one more, and in order to make a pair of 5, I need 2 more. तभी तो 3 का pair बनेगा. So that means what I needed, 3 5s are 15 and 15 into 5 is 75. So this is my answer. They are asking how many such cuboids will he need. So you will write 75 cuboids are needed. Okay. Moving to question number 6. Find the volume of a cubical box whose surface area is 486 centimeter square. They are asking you find the volume of a cubical box. We need to find the volume of a cubical box. Okay, but its surface area is given to you. Surface area, that is 486 centimeter square. Beta, in this case, surface area, formula for the surface area is 6a square. You need to learn the formula. Formula for the surface area is 6a square. 6a square is given to you 486. 6 is in multiplication, so when it will transpose, it will be divided 486 by 6. Okay, so 6 divided 6 8s are 48 and 6 1s are 6. So you get a square as 81. So a square, 81 is the square of 9, 9 square. So on comparison you will get a is equals to 9 centimeter. आपके पास side आ गई 9 centimeter. Now you need to find out the volume. The formula for the volume is a cube. A cube. So a cube means 9 into 9. A, now we know that a is 9. 9 into 9 into 9. Multiply it 3 times. Whatever answer will come, that is your answer, and it will come in centimeter cube. Okay, what it will come? 9 9s are 81. 81 into 9 is 729 centimeter cube is the answer. Okay. Okay, the next question is, which of the following are the cubes of even natural numbers or odd natural numbers? This we have discussed. Question about question number 7. This we have discussed in the property. जो इवन नंबर्स होंगे उनका क्यूब भी इवन होगा, और जो ऑड नंबर्स होंगे वो उनका क्यूब भी ऑड होगा. सो दिस यू कैन डू इट योरसेल्फ. Do it in the book only. No need to do it in the notebook. Write the ones digit of the cube of each of the following numbers. Okay, this you can do by property also, but I am telling you one more method. Like हमें 987 का, I am taking just a part, sixth part of question number 8. 987, they are asking the unit digit of the cube. You take this unit digit 7, इसको 3 times multiply करो. 7 7s are 49. 49 इंटू 7, पूरा मल्टीप्लाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ यूनिट डिजिट्स मल्टीप्लाई करो. 7 9s are 63, तो इसका यूनिट डिजिट क्या आ गया? 3. सो यू हैव टू जस्ट राइट 3. दिस इज योर आंसर. ओके, अदरवाइज ऑल्सो इन द प्रॉपर्टी येस्टरडे आई हैव डिस्कस्ड 7 वाला नंबर का यूनिट डिजिट क्या आता है? 3, और 3 वाले का नंबर क्या आता है? 7. लाइक 8th पार्ट इज गिवन टू यू 893. अगर आपको याद है तो आप डायरेक्ट भी लिख सकते हो कि 3 का 7 आता है, अदरवाइज करके भी देख सकते हो. यूनिट डिजिट को पिक करो. 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 3, 3 3s are 9 इंटू 3, 9 इंटू 3 is 27. सो यूनिट डिजिट इज 27. दिस ऑल्सो यू कैन डू इट योर सेल्फ इन द बुक ओनली. डू इट इन द बुक. Okay, no need to do it in the notebook. Further moving to the question number 9. Find the cubes of the following number. I am doing just a one for you, very easy. Third part, minus 5 1 by 7. First convert it into improper fraction. 5 7s are 35 plus 1, 36 by 7 minus. Now minus 36 by 7 into minus 36 by 7 into minus 36 by 7, क्योंकि हमें इसका क्यूब निकालना था. इसका हमें क्यूब निकालना था. माइनस से माइनस कैंसिल, still one minus left, so one minus will come in the answer. Now you will multiply 36 into 36 into 36. Whatever will come will be your answer. Similarly 7 7s are 49 and 49 into 7, when you will multiply you will get 7 9s are 63, 7 4s are 28 and 34, 343. Numerator you multiply it yourself, it's a big multiplication. So once you will multiply you will get the answer. So this is the answer of third part. Very easy. Whatever number is given to you, you have to find the cube. That means 3 times you need to multiply. Okay, so this is the answer of your question, and here are exercise 4.1 ends. Make sure every one of you will do it in the notebook by today itself. Thank you.